we're going to say this directly. Soulmate-style apps, like Hint App, operate in a way that strongly resembles a scam model. Not because astrology exists, not because AI is used, but because of how the product is structured, sold, and monetized. Let's start with the Soulmate itself. You're promised something deeply personal, a unique person, a meaningful connection, something that feels almost destined. What you actually receive looks automated. The faces feel interchangeable. The descriptions follow the same patterns. The experience feels generic once the emotional high wears off. The reasonable conclusion here is not, "this is mystical," it's, "this is generated." Whether the images are produced by AI in real time or pulled from a pre-existing library doesn't even matter. The result feels mass-produced, not discovered. When you sell meaning and deliver generation, that's already a serious trust violation. Now let's talk about the subscription. The user believes they're paying for a single result. What they actually enter is a recurring subscription. Cancellation is technically possible, but it's not obvious, not intuitive, and not user-friendly. This is a classic dark pattern setup: low entry price, emotional hook, and friction placed exactly where users try to leave. When people realize they're being charged again, the Soulmate instantly loses its magic. It starts to look like bait. And once a product makes users feel trapped, everything else is reinterpreted as manipulation. At that point, calling it a scam is not exaggeration. It's a natural reaction to the mechanics. Let's be very clear about the core issue here. This is not about whether AI can generate content. It's about selling emotional exclusivity while delivering something that appears scalable, repeatable, and automated. You're not buying insight. You're buying a feeling. And when that feeling collapses into, "this could have been given to anyone," the business model collapses with it. That's why Soulmate apps get far more backlash than quizzes, tests, or productivity tools. You're not just charging money. You're charging for intimacy, destiny, and hope. Combine that with a subscription that's hard to exit, and you get exactly what we're seeing online: accusations of scamming, manipulation, and emotional exploitation. This isn't a misunderstanding. It's not users didn't read. It's a product designed to convert first and explain later, if at all. And when emotion is the entry point and friction is placed on the exit, people will call it what it feels like: a scam.